back to my channel. Today we are going to be making cheesy eggs. Well, I like to call them cheesy eggs because Grammy has to put cheese in it. And me and Casey are going to have some cheesy eggs today. So why not? Let's have some cheesy eggs. So today we're going to have the cheesy eggs in that pan. And I have my assistant here, Grammy. And
so first we put a little skillet and we put some butter in it to get it good and hot.
Yeah, and then after that, we're going to have to try to crack these eggs. And then we're going to put these on these, and this is Casey's, and this is mine.
So you want to crack the eggs?
Okay. I haven't done this for a long time, guys, so I don't really know how to crack an egg. Okay, I'm ready. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh my God, that's definitely good.
All right, there you go.
Oh my gosh.
You did it.
Scared.
There's
Okay,
little
so
salt,
and then I need to put the pepper because
little
pepper's
pepper.
not that much. Yeah,
Just shake that really hard.
Because that one doesn't really come out because they're kind of big, you know.
And we let it cook, and then we'll flip it over, and then we'll put the cheese on.
Yummy yum. And we're going to see you when it's time to flip them over. Okay, guys, we are now going to put and flip those eggs. Let's see Grammy. She's a good egg maker. She knows how to flip those eggs.
More salt and pepper.
I can put the salt because I like a lot of salt in mine. I'll put the cheese. I'm going to put the cheese on, so. There, look at that. Okay, I'm scared. Oh, you see that beautiful cheese?
Good job.
I don't want to get burnt because I have to go to school today.
Yay! Excellent job. So we let that cook for a couple minutes, and then we'll fold them over.
Show you, and
we'll
then
put them in the plate on the plate.
And then
I just cut them, then we have to let them cool because they're really hot.
yep,
Then we can eat those wonderful
delicious
eggs. Okay, we'll go put them on the table, and then we'll eat.